Welcome to the informative NOKIA G60, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So if you wanna log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, let's first open the application and tap on the right upper corner, so we can see that we are logged in here in Gmail account. And now, just to log out from Gmail application, from Gmail account, we should log out from Google account on our device. To do that, we should click here manage accounts on this device, select this account and click here remove account. After that, we should click to remove account once again to confirm our action and enter our unlock method here. So now we're in Google account settings. We can see that we just successfully log out. So also let's go back to the application, and we can see that we just successfully log out from the application too. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.